Me not add nobody. Me make sure turn off. Me something there. Me say people over her life I say poor Shannel and she a come and chat about poor TT. Just because the man no want her, cause TT call him baby father phone this man and a come chat about she a breed and a ball and one bag of fuckery and a chat about she a go take a bag of pill and analyze herself and one bag of shit. Nobody told you to take up yourself and go there with people, man. Yeah, me a come now. Me don't know. Me a come. And me know me a stay far from you. Far. Me only want to know say me have my own quarters and me not there around. Far me a stay from you. Yeah? Me a come off. Uno later. Later guys, me a come off.
Beach haven. Anyone you want go? Anyone you want go? Anyone you want go? What you be set too far right now? We are running with you. Oh God, play about people from this. Alright, beach. You all got Griffin? Alright, do it done for them. Yeah?
Dragga don't want me over there. He can't vex all he wants. Me vex too. Dragga can't vex with me. And me if vex with Dragga. Dragga can't vex with me. And me if vex with Dragga.
Vex with me for what?
Dragga miss. All the day I'm life. Dragga can't vex with me all he want. Yeah, he can't vex. Shannel, they are yard with her man. I didn't back. She not at me. You know, this guy that come in the wall. He not have sipping. I don't go over there.
After me never did me in your life.
Add him back. Alright, if you accept me request. Hold on there. Right. You got it, man? Nah, you man. Yeah, man. I What one?
Yes, man.
Oh, road. Send my dad. Me don't know what that. Are you guys send it to me now? Send a match to me. Janet, Tajay.
Yeah.
I choose a Shannel up there, cost me.
Shannel up here, of course, yes. You're gonna feel that way.
So you really make Shannel did this cost me and a class me?
Me glad me dey live, you know. Me glad me dey live, you know. Me no make nobody do nothing, you know. Me.
So all along me there start telling people them rain. You understand me? You're not talking. Look here. All along me there say people them are talking true. Shannel can't end up class me. Class
So come
O.
talk to yourself and big. You can't act like one big woman.
Me no want nobody come for your life come tell her life for me because me never class you. Me a class up the girl. Wanna have which part of them? Me never class you. Me never say nothing wrong about you.
Shannel go class your man. Turn on and class that J side of you. And leave the girl alone.
When me a class him for him don't tell me say him no want her. So why una have her there?
Tell her yourself, you know company life, you know. Talk to her.
No, you can't talk to
Right,
Shannel.
yes.
Guys, in the beginning some taps. Dragga, you know say if you angle it, yeah, literally if you angle this. You will deal with this and deal with the thing like a man, you know. Everybody guys, be a beg on a roast. Dragga deal with the thing like a man, no?
What if you deal with?
What do you mean by what you
What
have
if
to
you
bump
deal?
clot deal with? And you are a person like us, all a blood clot this. You understand me? Me and your mother are stuck in the blood clot, Mickle. Because people get that pit to them.
So
you
why
get
you take up you girl? Why you go
what you mean
girl?
by you
Why
know
go
the blood
girl?
clot reason why? You know the fucking reason. Hey boy, come off from a bumper clot page.
Are your responsibility that? Are your
What do you mean
responsibility?
am my responsibility? So I say you want these people get pit and left them like them are nothing.
Are your decision that?
You see you?
That's why I don't come out of people business, brother.
Yeah.
Low people business. Like that idiot girl that use you. You know no sense. You know use your
Blood
head,
clot,
brother.
boy. You too blood
You're
clot.
too ignorant. You're too ignorant,
Evil.
bro. You're too ignorant.
Evil and blood
And
clot.
you not talk to me. You talk to me. You talk to people, brother.
Blood clot, ignorant, too clot, wicked.
My family life, brother.
Fuck
My
on
family
me.
life. With you, I don't know. You're not talk to you, no. I mean, you should have there so with a talk to. You talk to people. And people you listen to, brother. I see you one day, I talk to you, you know. I mean, I talk to you, I tell you the right thing, brother. You're going to listen to Jaden and Chavas. See, Jaden going to use you. Jaden going to use you because you're not listen to we as a people. And we as a people, if you listen to, you're not listen to we. If Jaden and Chavas company scream, you listen to them right away. If you're on the right side of your ears, I talk to you and tell you the truth, you're not listen to me. Tell me alone then, I'm alone. Cause that me used to. I'm used to it. Remember nobody know me, you know. Cause me ain't shub up in a no, you know, bro. Me ain't shub up in a no. Me and T, I see the same thing. Me and TT business and Shannel business are few business. I see same thing with Jaden and Mika. You jumping at me glide. Where you jumping at me glide for? You a referee? You a referee? Brother, me no know nothing where I true, you know. Me no know nothing where I true. Everything they use as cloth and prank and this and that. Me no know nothing where I true, brother. I don't know. Oh. Me sure now pray. Cause sister then go on the media go and chat. And start it from. What day this a girl that come to me? You see me? And say her belly hurt her and say she miss her period and this and that and that. Which member say TT. My talk about what? What is it? Me no business if you done, Shannel. Me no business. Me tired that every day me here say me here done. You alright, you know. You alright. Me not even know if I prank you people in company live with. But anyways, me I tell you how it go. Me say I hope when that the pitney they ban or if it should ban. And he come out here and feel me pitney you see man. Because the girl they wine palm every night in go wine up and down and this, that and that. So me if you know if I'm my pitney. By the way, we don't think about that neither. And even that me a combo. But she tell me say yo her belly hurt her and this and that. You see me? Yesterday she go to hospital now. They must say she a breathe. You see me? You gonna say she a breathe. She called me and say so. She called me and say she go to hospital and say she a breathe. So she asked me what she if you do. She asked me what she if you do, you know. Me there right as a confused no fuck. Me confused. Brother, you see, if I my pitney, I have breed. This me go and tell you say, do not bring it on the media and do not make me Madda know. Cause everybody know honesty. Everybody know how honesty. And he love talk, bro, and he love chat. And every business you reach from the media, brother. So me tell the girl, say, yo, do not make this reach in my mother mouth and don't make it reach from the media. So see it here now. And that's why me and her can't agree, you know. See they reach all over Bumbuckler social media now. That's why me and the girl can't agree, brother. Oh, me have to agree and me tell you a thing, brother. You not go listen to me then. Then me tell you, say, me don't want me pitney pan the media, brother. Me don't want this reach pan the media, bro. Make it do you right way. And you still gone pan the media and put it out, bro. So, me if you agree with you now. Me and you I go work together. It no matter if me are the problem. If that happen betwixt me and you and me breed you, bro, you don't need to reach from the media. You show say you love clout. You love clout, bad man. Brother, you just tell me say me don't leave me alone. You love clout too much, brother, and that me realize with you. From what day you love me realize say you love clout and you love media.
Tell the people the same thing when you say. You know say after you want to see TT of sex and period did come. Didn't that what you said?
And that me say yes.
Was it true?
Yeah.
Oh shit, the second time. Just be honest, not Tajay. All of this done come up already.
The Bumbuckler they come out just with it, buddy. Where you come? One here.
You should go there more than once.
Me and I can't sit down and talk.
Nobody not going to sit down.
Yeah, people can hear you. You know that. Just go in the house, brother. Go in the house. Go in the house. You see, as long as me live, I know say they for my life or watch me. You see, as long as me live, no deal back with me, my girl. Me no want no pitney with you. Me no want no blood clot pitney with you. Because if me look for you and tell you, say, yo, don't make you reach for the media, I still make you reach for the media, my girl, you don't rate me. And your pitney now gonna have no peaceful life. You see, just like Choops. I mean, I disrespect Choops, you know. Just like Choops and a baby, I same thing a baby go through. I mean, I wish bad for you, no girl. Me now wish bad for you, right thing me I tell you. But you see how you love Bumbuckler media, you gonna see how gonna reach your Bumbuckler. If me have baby with one girl, bro. Me have baby with one girl, brother. Me don't want share stress. But you fuck you gone for media with the foolishness. We are gone for media with this for. then you gonna make it reach now, mommy bumbo clock mouth. You know mommy stay, bro. Everybody understand it. Of course, it's my fault. I me go shoot me cocky knife. I me go shoot me cock and bust off on one bag of fuckery. But that is not the point, brother. That is not the point. Jaden, nothing wrong if a girl a breed, bro. Nothing wrong. But me never want to reach for the media.
So how put it on the media?
Does she?
That's why I mean not. That's why. Yo, bro, yo, wait, no man. Watch you now. That's why. Watch you now. That's why. I'm telling you. That's why I'm not date nobody now in the family, bro. No, this is true. Cause why?
True.
Everybody are gonna know my business in the family, bro. And them things there, bro. Me not like them things there. Me don't want people in our business. You see it? No disrespect, bro.
True.
So hold on. So what you gonna do?
That all me have to do I just take care of my responsibility. But me and that girl then nah go work. You see it? That girl nah go work. I me tell you, me look for the girl and me talk to her. Me talk to the girl, bro.
Where talk to her and say?
Yeah, I say the girl love clothes, brother. The girl love media, brother.
Won't ever find some girl
and tell her, don't make me mother here. The girl called me mother and tell me mother. You see true, you see true me and Shannel on the life from morning. Me and Shannel on the life. And that you know. True me and Shannel on life this morning.
So Dragga, yo, do you want this woman to have your baby? Yeah?
That I don't even know.
Guys, may I freeze? Yo, may I freeze, bro?
Yeah, I kinda freeze.
Hold on. Hold on, here.